Scientific Sue from Science to Life, and we have gone virtual. You are watching this promotion video to give you a flavor of what the show will entail, and also to let you see that at the beginning you are able to have your own personal message for your audience, whether your audience are children in school or at a festival, whether it be for family groups or a corporate event. You can use this time to thank them, to praise them, to give a little bit of instruction about the event too. At the end of the show, there's another voiceover section where you can again say thank you and maybe give a thank you to your sponsors. When you book the show, you'll also get an ebook which will give you instructions on how to do all of the experiments plus the shopping list. So enjoy this little section and hopefully we will hear from you soon. Thank you. This is a promo video, so what you're seeing here are snippets from the Supermarket Science show, just to give you a flavour of some of the things that are covered in the show. On our booking form, not only have we asked you to give us messages, but we've also asked you to send in your logo or logos. And the reason for this is at the end of this section, we're going to finish with a snappy video, including my logo. I want you to imagine your logo and your corporate colours in its place. Are your hands sore? My hands are sore. That lid is it's being pushed off. My whole ceiling is now covered in that wonderful volcano stuff. Not an experiment for indoors. So when you do this one, you're going to do it outside. I love science, especially supermarket science. I'm Scientific Sue. You have just seen the Supermarket Science